Did you have an aerial map and then figured it out, or you just figured you just started chopping away?
We just did it. We just chopped away. That's where the paintball field starts over there, that rope. So, this comes down over here. Now we just did it all by wherever I was with the machine.
Dude, how do you get insured for this? I got a lady right now trying to sue us. She's at my Boynton store, getting gas. She has the hose in her tank and goes to step over it. Steps on the hose. So the face knocks all her teeth out. And she wants to come after us. Yeah. I mean, she knocked all of her teeth.
This is the shoe house we built.
Yeah, that's the house.
The staff goes all the way down there.
Oh, somebody's house in here?
It's a nursery.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that wall.
Now we designed this house to, two guys can't just control it. You can't see what's going on and where people are coming into. There's only one way in and out of the house. That's right here. And if you don't want to get shot close up, I suggest you don't come in. Because
it's only one way in and one way out. Oh,
one way in, one way out. This is the only room with actually 2 windows.
That's cool.
And you come over here. See, it's like if 2 people are in here, there's no way to see what's happening outside all over. You got a window in this one. Plus, you can't shoot in the house and clear. Like, you couldn't come up to this window and shoot everybody because of the way the wall is.
Right.
So.
Yeah, like in Maze, they have like, it's a lot
Yeah, we
worse.
had one in Texas. They used to call it crack house. And you had to defend it. Yeah, so there was offense and defense.
Yeah. Yeah, we do all different, we're trying to run different kind of games. Start on one end, start on the other, capture the flag. We're just trying to get the layout today. Then it goes back this way.
This is a cool feature, just sticking out like this, right? Somebody's gonna get their head knocked on that thing.
Well, you know, there's a lot more buildings you gotta go out here and stuff. And then this is the one that goes to the woods over here. We're not gonna cut some more trail through here. But this is gonna be much of the natural stuff.
More realistic, you know?
Yeah.
It was all airsoft. It was awesome.
And this actually just gets swampier and thicker. But this path will go lead you all the way through to the other side. It gets really thick through there. So the kids that were playing here now just said they love this path actually.
Yeah, that's cool.
Because you can sneak up behind the other team. Not everybody's brave enough to go down that path.
Except for Chris.
We're not even in the growth season right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait till stuff starts to spill over.
Yeah, I got to see how bad it starts flooding because these cypress roots are not a good sign.
Nice and shady, you know. Even in the heart of summer, it won't get too bad in here.
It'll still be, yeah, a little better than just out in the sun, so. Yeah. Everybody's been bugging these kids to open this thing up, open it up, so that's why we got to open it. We're nowhere near it.
You gonna have more features, or what else are you thinking?
Yeah, we got some more buildings we're going to put out here. I got sandbags coming. We're going to do a lot more sandbag bunkers all around. So,
Give you a free play for Labor Day.
I don't know about free, but we used to do like father and son things for like Father's Day tournaments,
Right.
things like that.
No, just to get free labor out of them.
Oh yeah.